we complete the round, and look at that, I join with a slip stitch. I want to show you. This is my last chain one. Insert the first stitch and join with a slip stitch. Now we will put here a big virus part. Okay, look at here. This we did it here. Now we will increase it like that. So I want to make here a slip stitches. 1, 2, come to this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip one, insert next space, join with a single crochet. This is my first chain 5 space. I will add one more here. This is the second one here. This is the third. Okay, totally 3 pieces, chain 5 space. Now add here 2 7 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip that space, come to next one, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Skip this space, insert the next one, join with a single crochet. Here my big spaces. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this space, come to this one, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this one, come to next one, join with a single crochet here. Okay, look at that. This is my single crochet. One before and one after I skip, I insert the next one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one, insert the next one. Totally I made here 3 chain 5 spaces. Now 2 times 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip one space, insert the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip one, insert the next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one, insert next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this space and insert here, join with a single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one, insert the next space. Like that, 3 times chain 5 space. The middle point, this previous virus, put 2 7 chain spaces. Okay, I complete this round and turn to you. I come to end. You can see that last virus I put 2 7 chains. This is the first chain 5. We start with chain 5. This is the last one. I come to here, the chain 5 starting point, join with a slip stitch here. Come to chain 5 space and make 1 slip stitch. Then insert the middle stitch and make 1 more slip stitch. Insert here and make single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, insert the first 7 chain and make here 9 double crochet. Do the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over, come to next chain 7 space. Again make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Come to first chain 5 space. You can add here chain 1 or not. Not the first round we not make chain 1. So I made a mistake here. I'm not make chain 1 here. Come to first chain 5 space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to next space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to next space, join with a single crochet. I come to chain 7 space and make here again 9 double. Do the same thing. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come to next chain 7 space, make here 9 double again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Come to first chain 5 space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to next chain 5, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to next chain 5, join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to chain 7 and do the same thing. I will complete that. After this is the same chain. This time between of that double crochets we will make chain 1. After that we will make our double crochets in this space. Okay, it's as same as I complete this round. After turn to you and show you how you can keep crocheting that. I complete and turn to you. I complete this round, chain 3. You know we start here. Look at that, this single crochet, join with a slip stitch. Now I will insert that stitch again and make here single crochet. Then chain 1, insert that stitch and make double crochet. Chain 1, make double, chain 1, make double. Make a double crochet in every each stitch, but the difference from the first round you will add between of them chain 1. Chain 1, insert the next. Chain 1, insert the next. Chain 1, insert the next. Totally we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, and this is 19. It's 18 or 19, it's not so important. Okay, chain 1, come to first chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. Chain 3, come to second chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. So you will decrease 3 spaces to 2 spaces to 1 spaces. Okay, chain 1, insert the first one and do the same thing. Complete this round like that. After turn 2. I complete this row, make my last chain 3. You remember we made here one single crochet, join with a single slip stitch, sorry. So we decrease that again and do the same thing this round. Make here one slip stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1, 4 chain, yarn over, insert the next space, make double crochet, chain 1, next space. Chain 1, next space. Chain 1, next space, make double, chain 1. Do the same thing. Here. You know that when we finish this double crochets, we close this chain 5 spaces. Now I will show you. Here the last one double crochet, chain 1, come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, chain 1, and keep doing your doubles between of them, chain 1. Okay, complete this round like that. After turn 2, I complete the round, chain 1, insert the chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, chain 1. You remember we made chain 4, insert the chain 3, join with a slip stitch, and complete the round. Now I want to show you that after that you will repeat always the same. Here your big virus, always this big virus part is always here, but between of them growing up, and you can see that it will be 1, after that round 2, after that 3, between of them make chain 7 and put it between of 2 virus, open new one. Always you will make it bigger. You can understand it easily now. Here we have big viruses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 part. Now we will open here. Here is our increasing parts. They are always 6 corners. You will increase them between of them. So here I will make 1 slip stitch and 1 more. I come to, look at here, 1, 2 and the 3rd space. Here I will have 1 7 chain, so I will put here 2 5 chains, sorry, 3 5 chains, 2 7 chains, 3 5 chains. Put it on that. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next space. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next space. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert next space. This time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 1, insert next space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 1, insert next space. Now we will make 3 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert next. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next. This time I will increase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 1 2 3 4. Insert the 5th one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 space. The 5th space, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. Next space, skip 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1 space. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 1, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 1, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1 space, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 1, insert the next one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4. Insert the 5th space, join with a single crochet. Okay, your corners always be same. You will increase between of them. I complete after turn 2. I complete the round. You can see that I made 3 times chain 5 space. Here are last chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and come to the first, join with a slip stitch. Now you will make 1 slip stitch, insert the middle stitch, make one more slip stitch and make single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, come to next space, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, come to next chain 5 space, join with a single crochet, yarn over, come to chain 7 and make here 9 double crochet. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next chain 7 space, make again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 double crochet. Come to first chain 5 space, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, come to second chain 5, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, come to third one, join with a single crochet. So you decrease that chain 5 space to 2 chain 3 space. Yarn over, come to middle, increasing chain 7 space and make here again 9 double. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then insert the first, join with a single crochet. Then do the same thing. Okay, chain 3, join with a single crochet, chain 3, join with a single crochet, come to chain 7, make 9 double. Second chain 7 space, make 9 double, join with a single, chain 3, join with a single crochet, chain 3, join with a single crochet, then make here 9 double crochet. After that round, do the same thing, double crochet and chain 1 in the stitch you need to make, and decrease your 2 space to 1 space. After that round, you will make your double crochets in chain 1 space and decrease, close your space. So here you will close 2 space here. So increase, after this round you will increase your little virus. This is big corner virus, this is little virus, 1 to 2. Okay, then you will make here chain 7, then make chain 3 times chain 5, chain 7. Corners always same, don't forget that. This is 1 to 2, 2 to 3. I will complete these 1, 2 and 3, the 3 rounds. After turn to end, how you can increase your one more time I will show you. Okay, I complete and turn to you.